Today we're going to do a review on the Airsoft GI G4-A3 in Desert Tan. So, starting front, I've replaced the orange flash hider with a SOCOM Gear KX3. Going forward, we got a metal out barrel. This is a convertible barrel, so this comes off. If you want to convert it to a CQB, get a shorter inner barrel. And then we got a flip-up side right here. Goes up and down. Then we got a Olympic arm 7-inch rail, 3-float rail system with a Magpul AFG. And then you go up on the dust cover. You got a Infidel, both in Arabic and English. You got the GI Fleming bullet. You got a 450 round high cap magazine in tan. Got a nice ergonomic battle grip, a metal rubber tube. Oh yeah, I forgot the front flip-up side. It's just like that. And a crane suck where you put the battery. So put the battery in. I have a 9.6 volt nunchuck battery. Here's 2 pins here, right here, and right here. You just pop those out. And you get 2 pieces of this. Just slide the back. I like to put this forward. Put the battery in. Like so. Plug it in. And stuff those wires in there. In there, and put this back on, and pop that back on, and the battery is in. I don't think I did it right. Yeah, you don't want to pinch your wires there. Okay, and I blow back every time you shoot it. It's pretty nice. I've shot almost a couple thousand rounds through here, kind of since yesterday, because it's shooting 430 FPS according to Airsoft GI. So, and I need to see if I get it settled down to under 415. So yeah, it's got a pretty nice trigger response, at least to me. And yeah, might throw in a red dot on there if I need to. Yeah, that's all for this Airsoft GI G4-A3. Quick overview of it.